Hello, dear friends. I'm glad to come your way again, and I feel the need to share with you some practical steps on how to overcome lusting because several people are struggling with lusting. Lusting, first of all, is not demonic. Lusting is a hunger. Now, to be hungry is not a sin, it is what you do to get food to satisfy that hunger that is sin. So when many people are lusting, and particularly for the opposite sex, what they do is they either plunge themselves into masturbation, fornication, or pornography. You will never overcome lusting by those means. And so some people just think that to overcome lusting is to pray, keep praying, 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 praying. Yes, prayer is good, but prayer should help you to have the idea on what to practically go and do. Yes, it's true that you have to do away with all those things that are fanning the desire, like pornography, cassettes, or like maybe friends that are pushing you. You have to take them all away. Well, after you have taken them all away, you may still not overcome lusting, because how does it happen? First, you have to believe that it is an idea that drops in your mind. You will say, go and watch pornography film now. What do you do with that idea? You have to reject it. You have to use the scripture or your willpower to stop it at that level. When you want to pay attention to it, it will now try to project the previous films that you have watched and how you felt when you watched it. When you start remembering the feeling you had, you will be forced to go and watch that film. You cannot stop. So when it is just an idea, stop it at that level. Now, remember that some of us already have some characteristics or criteria for the kind of people, husband or wife we would like to marry. There are some things you like in the man you want to marry or in the woman you want to marry. So what the devil does is, there is one person that have those characteristics. It may not even be that you have dated the person before or not. No, you may just know the person. Maybe she's in your neighborhood or she was your classmate. So what does it look like when he wants to push you into lusting or masturbation? What he does is, you will see somebody on the road that have that quality, and if you had dated a girl before, he will try to link this person you are seeing now in your mind. He will use this person to remind you of your past. Let's say the person was Janet, and then you are now seeing a girl you don't even know on the road, but she have the curves of Janet, and you had gone to bed with Janet, or you have fun with Janet or something, and you enjoy the presence of Janet. What will happen immediately is, when you see this girl, a thought will come to your mind immediately that, but this girl looks like Janet. You know what he's doing? Before you know, you will forget about this guy. You will start thinking about Janet, the fun you had with Janet, the nice moments you have with Janet, and all the like. Before you know, my dear friends, you will be so heated up that you may find yourself masturbating or watching pornography. So the first thing is that when that thought drops in your mind, the same way Satan put the thought in Judas' mind, what did he do? He resisted it. He fought it. Judas did not reject. But for you, if you want to overcome, you have to reject. You have to stop thinking about You have to shake your head. You have to distract yourself with something else so that the thing should not aggravate. It took me so much time to overcome lusting in my life. So now I know what to do practically not to lust. It's not just prayer, but it's to reject the thoughts that come to your mind. Even in every other aspect of your life, that sin is trying to push you down or is conquering you, whether it's love of money, it will always start like an idea in your mind. Pick that money, or go for that money, or sign that contract. It is at that point of initiation of idea that you quarantine the thing, you stop it, that you catch it and you strangulate it. If you leave it for another idea to add to it, you may finally not conquer it. All the best.